Hey guys, I'm Dr. Peter Felice at Advanced Cosmetic Surgery. I'm a plastic surgeon, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about the costs associated with gynecomastia surgery. Gynecomastia surgery is one of the most popular plastic surgical procedures I do for men. Basically, it involves removing some of the excess skin and tissue on the chest to give men a little bit more of a masculine shape and a masculine appearance to the pectoral region of their chest. And right off the bat, I'll let you know that depending on where you live, what region of the US that you're in, the costs are going to be different. Also based on if that surgical practice does a lot versus a little of the procedures, that can also have an impact on the cost. So there's not a one-size-fits-all answer. First and foremost, there's usually a consultation fee. So to get in the door to talk to your provider or a series of providers, there's a consult fee a lot of practices will ask for the time and the effort of that practice and the providers to sit down with patients, talk about the surgery, the recovery, the before and after, everything that goes into your standard consultation. Another cost is the anesthesia itself and the length of time in the operating room. For very small cases, usually there's a small anesthesia fee, small OR facility fee associated with the case, versus larger cases, there's going to be a larger fee to pay for the anesthesia, operating fees, the facility, things of that nature. So all of those are going to be dependent, again, on where you're having the procedure done, hospital versus an outpatient surgery center, the length of the procedure, and whether or not a patient requires general anesthetic versus local anesthetic for the procedure itself. So there can be additional costs for gynecomastia patients after their surgery, and the number one thing that I want all my patients to have is a compression garment. And this is really important to help to squeeze out some of the fluid that naturally accumulates after the surgery and to help make sure that patients get a better shape, quicker recovery, no buildup of fluid that can lead to scar tissue. And so a compression garment or two compression garments is absolutely a necessary component of the recovery period that patients will need to pay for out of pocket. Another therapy I recommend for all my patients after gynecomastia surgery is lymphatic massage. And any type of lymphatic massage that you have done, make sure it's done by a licensed, certified lymphatic massage therapist. I recommend all of my patients have lymphatic massage therapy sessions starting as soon as the day after surgery, just to make sure that the normal buildup of protein and lymph fluid is reduced to help improve recovery, speed up the process of healing, and also make sure that you've got a good smooth contour. Now, depending on what your lymphatic massage therapy sessions will require, how many you need, how long they go, those are costs that will be variable. But by and large, I recommend all of my patients have lymphatic massage after the procedure, and usually there's a cost associated with those therapy sessions. One of the good things about the gynecomastia surgery being done as an outpatient, and there's no facility charge for needing to stay in an outpatient surgery center or a hospital overnight. You go home the same day as surgery, so don't worry about any additional costs for a facility fee or an overnight stay. Typically, gynecomastia surgery is done for aesthetic purposes as opposed to reconstruction purposes, and overall, it's not a surgery that's often covered by insurance companies. One of the things that you can do is speak to the patient care coordinator or the office manager wherever you have your procedure performed and see if they can give you some helpful hints or tips on submitting a claim to insurance. My personal experience, though, about 100% of these cases are done for elective purposes, therefore insurance doesn't cover the cost. So thanks so much for watching this video on gynecomastia costs. Be sure to subscribe and give us a like, and stay tuned for more videos from Advanced Cosmetic Surgery.